YouTube with the movie. It's your boy Simpson Roll back at you on the business channel. And today I just finished reading this book, Zero Limits by Joe Vitale. It's a good book, man. I think that you should get it and read. Always occupy your mind, keep something up there. I'll try to read everything, like I've been saying. You want to go against the norm. You know, the crowd going one way, I'm going another. Because I'm trying to reach success. I'm trying to reach new heights. You know, I always have to broaden your horizon. You know, because out here in the business world, it is business. And in the description box below, I have copper cards, and he shows you how not to enter a plea. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only, because we have to wake up from this. We've been asleep too long, you know. We're in a sedated state of mind, and we have to, you know, awaken the giant within seriously, because people don't even know their rights. They just get trampled over, you know. When the police pull me over, they have a hard time because I know my stuff. You should know the truth, and the truth will set you free as long as you know what you're doing. You know, so these videos that I bring, it is to inspire you, to let you know who you are, so you can look further. Don't stay inside the box. Climb out of the box, because the TV, everything that they give you, from the contracts and everything, is to keep you inside this box that they created. You know, it's crazy. So just always leave this up here. You will not have a problem. You know, that's why a lot of these judges and stuff, you know, they don't like me, because I be telling the truth. You know, and it was one judge. I was in Cobb County. It was a lady. Once I beat the case, she just sat there and she smiled at me for like at least a good minute, and she was smiling like, "That's good that you are learning," you know. And I never forgot that. You know, I even shook the prosecutor's hand, like, you know, at first I walked out like, "Yeah, you know, I beat you," but then I was like, "Hold on, this is business." Like, I might have to run into him again, and I went in there and I was the man. I shook his hand, and I walked out. And because you have to do that, it's nothing personal. It's business. They're testing you. You know, so you have to know your stuff. You have to know how to file paperwork. Me, I'm starting to learn how to file federal lawsuits, federal and state. You have to learn how to do this for yourself, because what you're gonna do, pay a lawyer all of your money and don't have nothing? At least have him as co-counsel, and, you know, give him a little something, but you should not give him all of your money. You should be learning, hey, what did you file? Can I see what you filed? Taking everything that he filed, and start looking at this stuff to come to an understanding of how to do it. It's all about know-how. That's it. If you hang with successful people, you will become successful. You know, and that's the only thing I have to say. But just keep going for it, man. Do not stop. You are the greatest. Just remember that. I love y'all. Take care. Peace. Keep doing your thing and don't stop.